The adventure in a person not only lies in motorcycling, but being a nomad and traveling the world. Sasaki Norio, I met him up in Alaska in 2015. And this man, all the way from Japan, from the other side of the world, decided he was gonna go from Alaska walking to Argentina. Okay, I'm here with this man who is starting a long journey. He started in Prudhoe Bay up there by Dead Horse, and he walked all the way to Joy, Alaska, 13 days. Where are you going? Down to Ushuaia? 3 years. But finish in Ushuaia, Argentina? No? Well, anyways, you're traveling all over the world. Come, show me the map. Ah, Ushuaia. So walking.
Yes. Okay.
My friend, I wish you the best.
Thank you.
3 years walking the world. Tú estás loco. Está loco, el tipo está loco. Yo hablo español. You should pay me. I'd be your interpreter. I speak Spanish. I can talk for you. Talk for you. No? Only $1,000 a day. Try it. When I met Sasaki, I thought he was crazy to be walking from the top of the world to the bottom because I had just drove it on a Harley Davidson. 4 years went by, I didn't think about him. Then I decided to do the run again on a Harley Davidson for the second time, and I did some research, finding him on the internet. I reached out to him, and we made plans to meet at the bottom of the world. ¡Mi hermano! Mira, mi amigo. Same tires or new?
No, new.
New? How many? 2? Alaska! Wow.